I hope you're doing well. Happy Fun Funny Fridays. Welcome to Laughter Yoga. As you can see, I have a guest co-host with me. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Morgan. I'm 9 years old.
This is my niecey Pooh, and today we're going to do some laughter yoga. We're going to jump straight in, and we're going to do about 7 laughter yoga exercises. Are you ready, niecey Pooh?
Yeah.
All right, let's start with just laughing. Ready? Go. Okay, ready? Very good. Very good. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay. The next one we're going to do is we're going to make a bunch of silly faces and laugh in between.
My favorite.
Ready? Make silly faces and laugh. Ready? Go. Don't forget to laugh, Morgan. Ready? Very good. Very good. Yay. All right. The next one we're going to do is loud and soft laughter. We're going to alternate between loud and soft laughs. You ready?
Yes.
Ready? Go. Ready? Very good. Very good. Yay. Now what we're going to do is our villain laugh. You ready?
What's a villain laugh?
We're going to laugh like a villain.
Yay!
You ready?
Yes.
Come on, sit up so you can. Okay, ready? Go. Ready? Very good. Very good. Yay! Okay, so next one we're going to do, you want to laugh like a witch?
Yes.
All right. We're going to laugh like a witch and laugh in between. Ready? Go. Ready? Very good. Very good. Yay. So let's try to laugh like a robot. How would a robot laugh?
A robot would have like.
Okay, ready? Go.
Ha, ha, ha.
That was a good one, Morgan. Very good. Very good. Yay! That was a good one. Okay, you want to suggest a laughter yoga exercise? You can pick anything.
Let's try a hero laugh.
A hero laugh?
A hero laughs like.
All right, ready? Go.
We did it.
We did it. Ready? Very good. Very good. Yay. Okay. let's go into some sort of animals. Pick a good animal. How one of your favorite animals would laugh. What? You have to pick the animal first, Niecy Pooh.
Orca.
Oh, orca. I don't even know how they sound. Do you know how they sound?
Yeah. They sound
Okay. We're going to laugh like an orca. Ready? Go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. You've been watching Nemo. Very good. Very good. Yay. Let's just do 3 more and be done. How you feel about that?
Yeah.
All right, so let's pretend we are having a conversation. We are having the best conversation ever. We're going to chat and laugh and chat. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me see your cell phone, girl. Ready? Go.
And then chicken nuggets was like
Girl, you so funny. Look at Very good. Very good. Yay. You have another one you want to suggest?
Thinking. No, I don't have any. Wait, hold up, a monkey.
Oh, okay. We can laugh like a monkey. Ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. All right. Let's end with a laughter clap. You gonna join in?
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Very good. Very good. Yay. Good job, Morgan. How you feel? Oh, gosh.
I feel happy.
You had a good time?
Yes.
You're going to practice laughter yoga when you're stressed out?
Yes.
When you're not feeling happy?
Yes.
All righty. Thank the people.
Thank you.
See ya, work life warriors. Get out there and laugh and play. Have a great day.